As experts in wallpapering here at Wallpaperdirect, we know that using the right tools for your wallpapering will not only make the job easier, but also help you achieve the best finish. This is what you need: a roller with a tray or paint scuttle, wallpaper adhesive, wallpaper smoother and/or a wallpaper brush, paste brush, bucket, sponge, tape measure or measuring stick, pencil, wallpaper knife, a plumb bob, laser level or spirit level, a straight edge, and of course, your wallpaper. There are many other tools you may want to use depending on the wallpaper you are using. This could include a felt roller for smoothing more delicate wallpapers. You'll need a screwdriver to loosen the plug sockets and light switches, and potentially a wallpaper primer sealer to ensure the best preparation of your walls. I would also recommend that if you have an apron with a pocket, you can keep your tools close by, and that will help you with the job. Watch our videos on how to prime and line a wall, how to hang wallpaper, and wallpapering tricky bits. Even if you've done it before, it's always worth a refresher.